People think the eyes are about seeing. For us, we have to look beyond the eyes. When someone sits across from me, they can be frightened. They may have noticed something and hope that it is nothing. It is my job to look closely enough for what might be wrong and ensure that the person feels cared for. Because sometimes what the eye might be telling us isn't just about the eye at all. My name's Melissa. I'm an ophthalmologist at NHG Eye Institute at Tan Tock Seng Hospital, NHG Health. I think what captivated me about ophthalmology was that it's quite a good mixture of medicine and surgery, meaning that you can treat it with medical means like drops and medicines, but the surgical part, which is the cataract surgeries or other forms of surgery, is very intricate, it's very elegant, and you can get such a nice result when you operate on patients who can't see and then they eventually end up seeing well. And that's really satisfying.
那个右边的白内障比较厚一点，它好像有东西遮住那个视力，你会觉得好像看东西会白白色吗？
不会啊。
不会啊 ，OK， 好的。你可以退换的。
So I think usually when someone loses sight, we worry about the very practical things first. So you lose your ability to work, you lose your ability to function independently. So you do have a bit of cataract in both eyes as well. The left eye to me looks a little bit more than the right. I think your decision making here is whether we need to do an MRI brain and the orbits again to see if there's any enhancement of the nerve. But just be assured that the field test is actually not so bad. It's actually good. But what people forget also is that I think when you lose your sight and losing one of your senses, you start to lose a sense of beauty, and that's probably really important.
第一是你有以前中风过，那个中风影响到你的周围的视力，所以上面的东西看不到。这个之外，你也是有一点白内障，所以对你来讲是有一点危险，可以造成急性青光眼的问题。如果我们看到这种情况的时候，我们会介绍几样事。第一是做那个白内障的手术。如果你是不想动手术，因为手术也是有它的危险性，就是说打这一光。7374在这里。
I have a patient that I've known for a long time, and she went blind as a child, and then she went deaf as an adult. So she comes to my clinic, and we communicate with a computerized braille tablet. So she will feel the braille while I type on the keyboard. And if you imagine if you cannot see and you're trying to walk around a busy place or MRT and things like that, one is not being able to get to your destination safely, but it's like feeling that everyone is moving around you and you have no idea where you are. You're just isolated. And, hey, Mr. Ling, how come you're here?
Because last 2-3 days,
Okay.
my right side seemed to deteriorate.
Are you able to wait till this
Yes,
afternoon?
I'll wait for you.
Part of my job is to try and figure out unexplained visual loss. Usually what that means is that the patient has seen other ophthalmologists who have gone through all the first line investigations and moving on to second line, and then getting to a point where actually all the investigations and the findings don't point to a certain direction. Then they are referred to usually the neuro-ophthalmology team. So there was a patient that was sent in, and it turned out that the patient was actually vitamin deficient. And so we replaced the vitamin, and over a couple of months, 3 months down the line, he's back to completely normal vision. And he is delighted. He's really happy every time he comes because you identified it. But not just identifying the vitamin deficiency, you have to figure out why the patient was vitamin deficient in the first place. And then that led on to him understanding why he was vitamin deficient, and that has more implications on his life than just the vision. So it's that whole thing, knowing that what we do is like clues, right? And you're just finding out what happens along the way, not just getting the patient their vision back, but making sure that long term they don't have other health problems related to these deficiencies that you do. Yeah.
Is the future bright?
Yes, I think so. I think the future is bright. When I look at my residents, I think the future is bright. Even if it's small, it means that they have some vision. If everything is flat, it means that it's a no-go. It's probably not going to be in the patient's benefit. We do have generational differences in the way we look at things and our perception of things, but they are skilled.
This is in focus.
The optic disc is in focus. Pull back. They are smart and they have really good hearts. And that's, I think, what we try to cultivate within NHG Health. And I think that's our hope, is to make sure we train up a generation of doctors who really do care. NHG Health.